The Wall Street Journal is a valuable resource that members of Suffolk County Community College are permitted access to free of cost. I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough of some of the great features the digital subscription has to offer. From the Suffolk County Community College Library's homepage, use the Articles and Databases link and then choose Newspapers. Scroll to the bottom of the list and select Wall Street Journal. Here you can enter your topic of interest to initiate your search. Limit the results by options such as year of publication and subject. This is helpful if you wish to exclude results relating to athletics, such as the Suffolk County Community College Sharks, but include information about the animal shark. Articles of interest provide citation information if used for research purposes. Simply click Cite and choose your desired citation style. Copy the text and then paste it in your works cited page. Articles can also be shared through email, or by printing them or saving them to a drive. Recent searches can be accessed to resume a previous search. You can also choose to be alerted if the Wall Street Journal publishes similar articles on this topic in the future. Name this alert and enter a valid email address to activate this feature. Instructors may embed an RSS feed in Blackboard that will list all recently published articles on a topic. You can also get a search link if you wish to be provided with a permalink that will always bring you back to this page. Thank you for taking time to learn more about this great resource. Please feel free to contact a librarian with any additional questions you might have.